Kumsi benta ban pynneh pynsah iki do do wa ya kabalabu ha kejing ma kabakrau tang na kabenta jong kejing kwar ha na kabenta kayo nong ha kamaladi kan selong kejing tim ya kapateng kabanwan. Menteri sorkar jela uba elhek ula pentip bak sorkar lengba katanat lido ha uloong bak sorkar kalapha ya kejing terwa na kabenta ban bu ya prateli ki jaka pynneh pynsah iki do ha keleng ki jaka jong kejela. Habai kermat kilat thai kubor uba elhek uloong bak kejing temu jong sorkar ban sna ya kini ki jaka ban pynneh pynsah iki do wa kalong ru si benta ban kring ye kinangwan jongo kai perthai.
Since the day I took over as the fishery department, we had a few meetings in few rural areas. Rural area means in a few rural localities where they having a beautiful rivers. Okay. For example, in Walo, it is there in the Umroi constituency, Ribhoi district. There's a beautiful river. It is across the national highway. So that meeting before I took over also as a minister and again to look after the fishery department, I had one meeting there because I like so much the river. It's a big river. So immediately I told the people of that area, in the Darbar, why not think to develop this beautiful river? It's called Kyrwoh Umlo in Umroi constituency and the Ribhoi district. So in the beginning, before I again became a minister, I had took the initiative called the fishery department that time also, and also we had told them to prepare the complete concept paper and the DPR to send it to center where I'm going to talk directly either to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs or the fishery department. Then I became the minister and looking the fishery department. Then immediately I took up this subject and I told to the fishery department to ready the complete DPR for this Kyrwoh Umlo to create not only for the fish sanctuary there, also at the same time it will be a tourist spot, a tourist destinations where we are going to be created there, the river to renovate, to beautify the river, at the same time also to make the rafting, then we make the angling tents for the angler, then we make for boating, then at the same time we from the integrations with the tourism department, we're going to create the restaurant for the revenue of the locality where it'll be one of the beautiful tourist destination will be attract many tourists coming not only from the state of Meghalaya, also from the entire northeastern state and also from the national tourists will come, even they will attract the international tourists. We'll start immediately now. We have sent the proposal of 8 sanctuary.
8?
Yeah, in the entire states. Maybe 2 in, 3 in maybe in Kyrwoh Hills, then it come to East Castle, it go to Gente Hill, it goes to West Castle. All this, there is a beautiful rivers we are going to create in the revenue model to attract tourism at the same time. The revenue model will be like this, simple. This revenue is not coming to the government. It's a BOT, bill, operate and transfer. The government will see the operation for the trial round for operations and transfer the management to the local authority. So whatever revenue will earn from there, it will go to the local authority, understanding with the fishery department. The time frame is like this. We only send the proposal now. The day we got the sanctions and the day we are ready for implementations, then only I will be able to tell you exactly when the completions of this project will be done. Until unless now, like we call in Khasi, hati dengan ceklau, asang terua dia kebenyat hati. When the animal still in the wild, when elephant is still in the wild, we start negotiating, marketing the ivory of the elephant. So we don't want this to happen. The estimated costs depend from place to place, from location to location, and depend also on the size of the river, the size of the area. Now we cannot give specific the estimation cost of any project until unless they will go survey, scene, everything, then only will be able to tell you.
So but any fund being earmarked?
Yeah, we have already given the proposal to the fishery department. The same proposal we had given to the MOTA, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Yeah. Now exactly I don't remember all the rivers, but one is the fish deal also. You have seen the fish deal. There also we have proposed a beautiful project where we'll have the aquatic knowledge center. At the same time, they'll have a beautiful aquarium. There also will have the restaurant. They'll have the sitting gallery. They'll have the knowledge center where the student, the tourist, the individual, they can go, the family, they can go and learn, see and learn also about the knowledge, whatever it is there at the center. That is one. Not only that, even for the world-class skywalk, I already told the Chief Minister, he liked it, my proposal. He said, yes, I want this skywalk also. It'll be one of the landing station. It should be there at that fish deal. That also we have done everything. It is incorporated with the tourism to have this world-class skywalk in the station in that particular destination. We are deficit of 80% of fish is coming from outside today. 20% that we are saying that we are supplying from the own states, that is okay. But 80% we have to depend from outside. I already told before also, I will put all my efforts, strategy, my knowledge to borrow also all the knowledge from everywhere to and see that we will be a self-sufficient state in a fishery area also. I'm not saying it's not, if not 100% successful also, but some percentage it has been successful. So we have to continue from where it is successful to multiply and see this is going to be reach at least 80 to 90% successful.
What are some of the failures of this scheme?
Failure?
Because till now, 2012 till now, we have not been able to
I don't consider nor take it as a failure. It is a continuous process. In the continuing process, the work is still in progress. People also, they have done project to project in before also, not only the government project. Maybe they have done for the individual project. If we talk only the government project going to be fill up that gap of 20 to 80%, will not be feasible at all or is not viable project. We have to work with the beneficiaries, we have to work with the farmers to meet the requirements of the state of Meghalaya, not only government. I want to change the concept of the fish sanctuary to a tourism kind of thing. It will not be as simple only for the fish farmers. It'll be integrated with all the other facilities to create the new concept of the fish sanctuary. Like what, I told you we'll have in the same river, we have the sanctuary, we have the rafting, we have the boating, we have the angling stations, we have the the restaurant, then we have so many other facilities where we can attract many tourists will come. The local tourists, the domestic tourists which we call, then we come the people, tourists from outside, and also from even the global tourists will also like to be a part of this destinations. It is already there, will be more will give other facilities to multiply the fishes there. More, I'm telling you. But depend on how we inculcate the interest on the local authority. No. Same concept means, I'm not saying you change the concept in blanket. Those who want to do in pond concept, let them continue. I'm talking only on the river side. We cannot stop where they have been practiced from the before.
So earlier, how many fish sanctuaries we only have? Since there are new sanctuaries proposed.
The earlier we have, I don't remember exactly how many. We have quite a good numbers of, we have in Jantia Hills, we have in West Gas Hills, we have in Kyrwoh Hills. In Kyrwoh Hills, they have shown me even the video shot. A beautiful sanctuary they have, aquaculture.